want you to fill out your note card. You may add to this. That's totally fine with me. But I think I'm actually going to completely help you out for this note card for the 1-1. And by the way, for the test, you can have this note card out also. Okay? So keep all these note cards. This is 1.1. We talked about population. Here's what I want you to do when you see population, and this is what I want you to do on the study guide. Okay? Your population starts with the word all. Okay? All what? All people at Metrolina, all the football team at Metrolina, all the, American households, something like that. Okay? That's what I want. I want the word all. Okay? If it asks you what the sample is, the phrase you use is a collection of. A collection of. So if I'm talking about, let me actually look at what the first study guide is. A survey of 1,353 American households found that 18% of the households own a computer. Your population would be all American households. The collection would be 1,353. Here, I'll even show it to you. This is your study guide for homework tonight. A survey of 1,353 American households. See that right there, American households? All American households. That's the population. What's the sample? A collection of 1,353 of kindergarten math people, American households. And that's all you have to write for population and sample. Easy, okay? Next thing, we need to know the difference we learned the last time between descriptive and inferential. That'll be the next thing on the quiz. Descriptive describes results. That I just wrote describbles. Describes results. It is in general. I don't know why I wrote that, but inferential, you are going to make a prediction, and I will be very obvious. You'll see on the study guide. Inferring something about the population. Okay. That was what we learned about inferential. I'm trying to look to see what I have. Here we go. Here's one from your study guide. The average age of students in a statistics class is 18. Describing or inferring?
Describing.
I'm describing. I'm just talking about your age. I'm not saying the 18-year-olds in the statistics class have determined to kill Mrs. Seta based on their... No, nothing. There's nothing inferring. It's just your average age is about 18. Okay? That's all you have to do. All right. Flip it over because that was section 1.1. Now we're on section 1.2. Let me change colors just for the fun of it. Okay, so the sum of today's lesson was we learned about qualitative, and quantitative. Quantitative. Let me make sure I spell these right. Qualitative, quantitative. Okay? Qualitative is quality. Think of the word quality, like eye color, like gender, like ratings, a quality, okay? Whereas quantitative is a quantity. Your age, your height, your weight, time. Something that can be counted, quantity, a quantity. From quantitative, we can break that down into discrete and continuous. Continuous. So, and what's the difference between discrete and continuous? Well, discrete is, I have left myself no room. I almost need to give myself more room. This is pathetic. Discrete is a whole number, like 14 players on a team, something like that. Whereas continuous is a decimal, or can be a decimal, like temperature, time, weight, whatever. All those things, all those measurements, continuous. Anything that is measurement. Okay. Then we have, Jonathan, you just have to copy this from somebody. It's no big deal. You got it. Okay. Then we have our 4 measurement levels of measurement. Okay. We have nominal. I'm running out of room, but that's totally fine. I should have thought better about this. I should have turned it sideways. My bad. You guys are going to have to figure it out. Nominal is a category. You can highlight the word no. There's no order in there. No order. Eye color. Gender. Those are the big ones they like to use. Okay. Ordinal. Also a category, but it has order. So small, medium, large, first, second, third. Interval. Seta is totally running out of room. This is pathetic. You make a better card than this. Sorry for all you people. You're like, Miss Seta, can I have another card? Yes, I'll give you another one if I've screwed you up, but it's fine. Interval. Write down the following. IQ is an interval. Temperature is an interval. Your SAT is an interval. What's the other one that I put at the end as an example that I want you to know is an interval that it doesn't seem like it should be? Time. Okay. Ratio, you can't go below 0. That's why time should be in there, but it's not. You can't go below 0. Height, weight, age, these mean you don't exist. You can't go below 0. Your bank account, but it can go below 0, Minnesota. I don't know. Okay. Oh, shoot. And the only other thing, darn it, I've run out of room. We'll put it on the side here. I need to do boundaries, those level of boundaries on there. I should have put that. I'm sorry. You all got that down? So here, put it down here, I guess. Boundaries. But I think most of you were actually doing really well in this. I was really proud of y'all. So if I give you, I'll make up a number, 0.45 seconds, and I said, tell me the boundaries for that. What are you going to say is your boundary? 0.4 what? Okay, so see how there's 2 here? You need 3. You need 1, 2, 3. So 4, 4, and you always end in a 5. Then you write it again like it is, 0.45, and then you end in a, that's it. This is your entire study guide / quiz. If you want to add more, by all means, you've got about 10 more minutes-ish. If you need a new note card because Mrs. Sena screwed you up, go ahead.